Let us continue the problems on Bayes theorem, okay, of probability. Okay, consider a problem. The chance that Dr. A will diagnose a disease B correctly is 60%. The chance that the patient will die by his treatment after correct diagnosis is 40%. And the chance of death by wrong diagnosis is 70%. A patient of Dr. A who had disease B died. Find the probability that his disease was correctly diagnosed. Okay, so that here we are given two alternatives, that is the disease, the Dr. A will diagnose disease either correctly or wrongly, and it is given the probabilities that the patient will die by his treatment after correct diagnosis is 40%, and the chance of death by wrong diagnosis is 70%. Okay, and it is given the patient who had disease B died, and we are required to find the probability his disease was correctly diagnosed under the assumption the patient died. Okay, so that firstly let us define the events, that is there are two alternatives, A1 Dr. A diagnosed disease B correctly. Okay, and A2 he diagnosed, the diagnosis was wrong. Okay, two options, two alternatives, and these are mutually exclusive and exhaustive, and it is very important these two events are mutually exclusive and exhaustive, so that sigma p of ai equal to 1. And we have B as the patient who had disease B died. Okay, patient who had disease B died. Okay, firstly define the events very correctly. Okay, now required probability is, that is we are given the patient died of disease B and the diagnosis was correct. It was correctly diagnosed. It is the problem. So P of A1 given B. Now we have the Bayes theorem result, and we find the probabilities P of A1. What is the given idea? The Dr. A will diagnose disease B correctly is 60%. Only this is given. P of A1 is 0.60, that is 60 by 100. Okay. Now our task is to find the probability of A2, P of A2, and as these events are, it is not given, the statement is not given in the problem, but we can write this probability as equal to 1 minus 0.6, so equal to 0.4. Okay, P of A2 we directly write this as 0.4, since these events are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Okay, now P of B given A1 under the assumption that he diagnosed the disease B correctly, and the death, okay, it is given by his treatment after correct diagnosis is 40%, the patient will die, that is P of B given A1 equal to 0.4, and P of B given A2, what is it? P of B given A2 under the assumption of A2, that is the diagnosis was wrong and the patient died, it is given, it is 70%. The chance of death by wrong diagnosis is 70%. So this probability will be high and it is 0.7. Make it clear this total is not equal to 1. Under the two conditions, the probability of a death is given. Okay. And now by Bayes theorem, we have the result. Okay. By Bayes theorem, P of E1 given B equal to P of E1 given B is the required probability, and P of A1 given B equal to P of A1 into P of B given A1, P of B given A1 divided by sigma I equal to 1 to 2 P of AI into P of B given AI. Okay. Now we simply substitute these probabilities. So as to obtain the answer. Okay, that is P of A1 given B equal to P of A1 is 0.6 into P of B given A1 is 0.4 divided by the same 0.6 into 0.4 P of A1 into P of B given A1 plus it is P of B given A1 is 0.4 and P of A2 is again 0.4, which is 1 minus P of A1, okay, into P of B given A2 is 0.7 and the answer is 0.4, okay. And the answer is it is equal to 0.46 on simplification. Okay, that is P of E1 given B by Bayes theorem. Under the condition the patient died, it is the probability to obtain P of. It is the probability to obtain the diagnosis was correct. He correctly diagnosed disease B. Okay. So this is equal to 0.46. Okay. Now we consider the next question. The problem is question number 10. The problem is in answering a very interesting problem. In answering a question on a multiple choice test, a student either knows the answer or he guesses. Okay, there are two options. Either he may know the answer or he guesses the answer. Let P be the probability that he knows the answer and 1 minus P be the probability that he guesses the answer. Okay, assume that a student who guesses at the answer will be correct with the probability 1 by 5, where 5 is the number of multiple choice alternatives. Find the probability a student knew the answer to a question if the answer is correct or if he answered the question correctly. Okay, so that there are two options, either student knows the answer or he guesses the answer. There are two options, and this event once again I want to stress to one point, that is these two alternatives are mutually exclusive and they are exhaustive. Okay, and we are given he knows the answer with the probability P and hence he guesses the answer with probability 1 minus P. So let us define this to even. Let E1 student knows the answer. Okay, correctly define the events, please knows the answer, and A2 he guesses the answer. He guesses the answer and what is given? The answer is correct. Okay, find the probability student knew the answer to a question if the answer is correct, that is B. Let us consider B. The answer is correct. Okay, So the required probability is, what is it? Required probability equal to the answer is correct, and find the probability. He knew the answer, that is A1 given B. The answer is correct, and we want to find the probability. He knew the answer. Okay. So that here P of A1 by Bayes theorem we apply. Let me write by Bayes theorem. P of E1 given B equal to P of E1 into P of B given E1 divided by sigma I equal to 1 to 2 P of EI into P of B given EI. Okay, now let us write these probabilities so that it becomes, what is it? P of A1. Simply it is P. Student who know the answer with the probability P it is given, and P of A2 he guesses the answer with the probability 1 minus P, and here P plus 1 minus P equal to 1, P plus 1 minus P equal to 1. Okay, P plus 1 minus P equal to 1. This is a check condition. P plus 1 minus P, that is sigma P of AI equal to 1. Okay, so that now we want P of B given A1. What is it? P of B given A1. It is very important to note the point under the assumption A1, that is he knows the answer and we require the probability the answer is correct. Here the statement is not given, and here we are given only the probability assumed. That is, student who guesses at the answer will be correct with the probability 1 by 5, where 5 is the number of multiple choice alternatives. That is, we are given P of B given A2, isn't it? Under the assumption he guesses the answer, the probability the answer is correct. So P of B given A2, it is equal to 1 by 5. And here we are not given this probability P of B given A1, but we can assume this probability equal to 1, isn't it? What is it? The probability he knows the answer and the answer should be correct. That is, namka answer അറിയാം and answer correct ആവാനുള്ള probability. So what is it? It is equal to 1. Okay, P of B given A1. Under the assumption he knows the answer, the probability to be the answer to be correct is equal to 1. Okay, we have assumed this probability. Okay, and now directly we substitute P of A1 given with, so equal to P of A1 P into P of B given A1 1 divided by P of A1, the same term P of A1 into P of B given A1 plus P of A2 1 minus P into P of B given A2 1 by 5. So on taking LCM we get this as 5P divided by this is 5P minus P, so 4P and 1. Okay, that is 1 plus 4P is the answer. 5P divided by 1 plus 4P is the answer. Okay, yes, thank you very much.